To make these heart-shaped keychains, we need 4 things: a scissor, a lobster hook, yarn. I'm using 3mm width yarn in off-white color, and a fringer to fringe out the bottom. I like to attach my lobster hooks to a notepad because that way I get a surface to work on, and this hook hangs here tightly. So to this, we will take an 80 cm string and put a reverse lark heads knot through the loop. We're going to take one more 80 cm string and do the same. This forms the starting base. Now, we're going to take the outside string, fold it towards the inside, and put a double half hitch knot here. 1 and 2. We're going to do the same on the left side. Fold and put 2 half hitch knots, a 1 and a 2. Now we're going to make a single half hitch knot in the middle to tie this entire structure up together. Now we're going to take another 80 cm yarn. The center point is lean across the left tube. Now I tie this up with a double half hitch knot with each of the threads. This can be slightly tricky as all the 3 threads are moving. You can use pins to pin it in one place. One knot is done, and let's do the other one. Now we're going to do the same thing to the right hand side. And then again a single half hitch knot in the middle to tie up the string together. So now we have 4 strings on this side, 4 strings on this side, and we're yet left with 2 more 80 cm strings. So I take another one and I make a reverse lark head knot on the last string. After attaching it, we make a reverse lark head on the left side and another one on the right side. So this structure that is formed will basically make the shape of your heart. I like that shape of my heart. See? You do the same thing on the right hand side. So this is the top of my heart. Now we're going to fill the heart with double half hitch knots throughout the middle. So we start with the 3rd string. 1, 2. You take the 3rd string, put it on the side, and make double half hitch knots. Using the 1st string, using the 2nd string, and using the 3rd string. Do the same on the left hand side. Yet again, put it together in the middle using a single half hitch knot. So you see the heart shape is beginning to come out and it's beginning to get filled. So right now we had used the third string. Now we're going to do the same using the second string. Are you seeing the heart shape come together? Now comes the slightly tricky part. We have to make half hitch knots with the last string left as well. But this has to collect all of the other strings till the end. So you take the first string, you make a double half hitch knot. Before you make the next one, however, you take both of these together. And make a double half hitch through both of those strings. This allows all the strings to collect in the middle at the end. Collect all three, stretch, and another double half hitch. Make sure you do this process slowly because this can be quite tricky to get the right kind of neat levels. All four strings. One and two. And now the last one with all five strings coming together. Similarly, on the left hand side. And everything is collected in the middle right there. So you have your heart shape ready, but now just need to tie it up all together. So for that, I will take a 20 centimeter string to make a gathering knot. I let a loose end on the top, make a small loop at the bottom. Put the string around all of these gathered strings really tightly. Through the loop. Hold it put and pull the string from the top to tuck the gathering knot under the gathers. We cut off the excess of the gathering knot. Now that we're done with the knotting, we're going to trim the excess. So I'm going to take all of the string off. And use my fringing brush and there you have it, a heart-shaped Valentine's keychain Ready just in time.